Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore the WordPress WooCommerce Product RMA plugin, a powerful tool to manage refunds, returns, and replacements with ease. It's designed to enhance customer trust and elevate post-sale satisfaction. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webcool.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Let's start with the admin login page. From there, go to WebCool WooCommerce add-on and click on Settings. This will open the configuration page. Under the General Settings, you'll find the Return Status option, which allows you to set the default status for all new return requests. The Order Status setting lets you choose in which order statuses the return request option should be visible to customers. In the Return Request Type section, you can define the conditions under which a customer can initiate a return request or warranty claim. Finally, there is the Return Address section, where you can enter the address to which customers should send returned items. Once all the settings are configured, click Save Settings to apply the changes. Now, let's explore the default warranty level settings. From here, you can change the warranty level that will appear by default on the product page. You can also choose the default warranty type, which can be customized individually for each product. Next, set the time limit for your warranty by entering a value in days, weeks, months, or years. The Hide Warranty text option lets you decide whether or not to display warranty details on the product card and checkout page. Once all these settings are configured, click Save Settings. Now moving to the fronted settings. The Request Button label allows you to customize the button text that customers will see on the My Orders page. From the same settings panel, you can also modify the section title shown on the My Account page and set the number of return requests to display per page in the Customer's My Account request menu. Next, let's look at the Extras section. You can enable additional features like the messaging service by checking the corresponding box. There is also an option to enable visual styling and set the maximum number of attachments allowed during the return request process. After configuring these settings, click Save Settings again. Now, let's move to Manage Shipping Labels. Here, the admin can upload shipping labels that can be used during the RMA process. All uploaded labels will be listed and available for reuse. Next is Manage Reasons, where the admin can create and list the reasons for return requests. All added reasons will appear in the list and can be edited or deleted as needed. By clicking Add New, you can create a new reason by entering the reason, selecting the status, and clicking Save. Moving on to Manage Return Request Settings. This section allows the admin to manage all incoming RMA requests. All submitted RMAs will appear in a list here. By clicking View, the admin can access the full details of each RMA request, including request information, customer contact details, billing information, and product data. At the end of each request, there is a conversation feature where the admin can reply to the customer. Additionally, there is an option to enable email notifications for any responses made within the conversation thread, ensuring both parties remain informed and up to date. Admins can also update the status of an RMA. Under the Actions section, they can mark a request as solved, processing, or rejected. Let's go back to the Manage Return Request section to explore additional settings. There are 3 types of RMA requests: refunds, replacements, and cancellations. For refunds, the admin can click the Refund button to view order and product details, enter the refund amount along with a reason, and manually issue the refund. Admins also have the option to use or create custom fields to further tailor the RMA process to their needs. Now, let's switch to the customer view to explore how the workflow appears from the customer's perspective. To access the customer view, log in using customer credentials and navigate to the RMA section. All existing RMA requests will be listed here. To create a new request, click on Order, then click on the Request Warranty. Customers must fill out all the necessary details and select a reason. For the return, they can also upload images and choose a status such as replacement, refund, or cancel. Additional comments can be added. And once all information is completed, the customer should click Send Request. This action will redirect the user to the RMA page, where the new request will now be listed. By clicking on the request, customers can view details such as order ID, RMA status, delivery status, and customer information. At the bottom of the request page, there is a conversation feature that allows customers to message the admin directly. An email notification option is also available to alert users whenever the admin responds to the request. This notification feature allows customers to stay informed via email whenever there's a response from the admin. In the product section, customers can view product-related details such as price, quantity, reason for return, and warranty expiry date. In the RMA image section, they can view any images or videos attached during the return request. Under the Manage section, once the customer's issue is resolved, they can mark the request as solved by checking a box and clicking Update. Customers can also go to the Orders section to view details about past purchases, including product names, payment methods, billing addresses, and shipping addresses. For guest users, there is an option to initiate a warranty request by entering the order ID and email address for verification. From there, the rest of the RMA workflow functions the same as it does for registered customers. That concludes the walkthrough of the WordPress WooCommerce RMA extension. Thank you. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@theratewebco.com or raise a ticket at webco.uedesk.com. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.